Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN. I'm your host, P-Fire, aka P is for plaudits, and I give you all the plaudits. And this is another episode of whatever the fuck I want to talk about. And this is the first episode of the year. And in the first episode of the year of whatever the fuck I want to talk about, I just want to say, as always, guys, it's a new year. Hopefully we've reviewed the year that has gone, and now we're thinking of what we're doing for the new year. And again, as always, you guys know I say that we should be improving every year. You know, whether we are getting taller or we're getting stronger or whatever the improvement is, we should be making sure that we improve every year. My improvement is to sort of, you know, make sure I temper, you know, how I react to situations, make sure I sort of take a step back and think, make sure I'm not so reactive or, you know, emotional about certain things. I mean, that's been my goal for, you know, it's a continual thing. It's a work in progress. I continue to work on myself. So, but this year, you know, my whole thing is make a lot more money. Don't be scared. Just go forward and chase those goals that I want to achieve. Don't be afraid to dream big, and yeah, just continue to sort of understand that everything is in our hands, you know, regardless of the economy, regardless of, you know, the redundancies at work or whatever is going on. It's all in our hands, even when it seems that it's not in our hands. And sometimes you just need someone to sort of open your eyes to the fact that it's not as bad as we always seem to think it is. There's doom, there's gloom, but there's also light and happiness. You know, everything is equilibrium. You can't have one without the other. So in the times of doom and gloom, you just have to remember all the times of light, all the times of light that are to come. And during those dark days, just continue to work forward and forward towards the light. And once the light comes, the light will be there for ages, you know what I mean? And then of course cycles is everything, so you'll come back to the dark days, but you should be prepared from the light days and the previous dark days. So yeah, that's really all I wanted to say, guys. Just make sure you're looking after yourselves. Make sure you're improving. Again, you don't want to get to the age of where you're on your deathbed and you go, oh, I didn't do that, or I'm the exact same person I was when I'm 20. You know, I mean, God forbid you die early, but if you die, you know, if you die early, then that's an excuse. But if you're 20 and then you live all the way till 70 and you're exactly the same, there's no excuse for 50 years of the same thing. You've got to progress, you've got to learn, you've got to improve, you've got to fail, you've got to succeed, you've got to do all these things to become a better person and to maximize this journey that we call life. So guys, that's it really for me. I don't want to go on too much. I hope you've got to the end of this. If you have, mad love to you, respect to you, love to you. I wish you all the best for this year. I continue to, you know, send good energy towards you guys, and I continue to receive the good energy that you guys give to me. So yeah, guys, this has been whatever the fuck I want to talk about. I've been your host, P-Fire, aka P is for Profit, and this has been Once We're Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Guys, stay dope, stay fly. I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Peace.